What's percolating YouTube? It's your boy Bapper Superstar. What?
Bruh.
What's percolating YouTube? It's your boy Bapper Superstar, and I look different. Today going to Nike outlet, Adidas outlet, Orange Park Mall. I ain't been there in forever. Leveled Up is in there. So so last time the footage when I went there, it got deleted. So hopefully I get some more footage, and I might try to keep this. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, leave a thumbs down. Y'all can't see me. Comment down below if y'all like this new hairstyle, cause I don't know. I really don't, but it might grow on me. I don't know. We'll see. And share the video. Tell a friend. Tell another friend. Tell another friend to subscribe. Cause we on the road to 1K. Finally hit 100 subs. Thank you, Jesus. So yeah. See y'all whenever I get to the store or the outlet. The outlet. Yeah, I see y'all.
Rahmal got you. Rahmal got you. Twerk.
superstar? Hey, cuz, let me talk to you, bro. Like, as a fan and a subscriber, I don't want to see no unfinished vlogs in 2019. Finish them shits. If you do that, I'll tell the people to subscribe, cuz. It's that simple. I'm like, hey, cuz, he not gonna upload no unfinished vlogs in 2019. So you might as well go ahead, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend to tell another friend to subscribe. Cuz he on the road to 1K. Go ahead, leave a like, a dislike if you hate the video. I mean, haters gonna hate. Motivators gonna motivate. It's that simple. But at the end of the day, a like is a like. And another thing, comment down below. Give him some suggestions. Help him get better. Why not? You know what I mean? I'm out, man. You do you, and I'ma do me. No unfinished vlogs 2019.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop your fucking lying.